Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step.
Morning guys, morning. It's almost time for me to go back to England and it is taking everything out of me. This is my outfit today, by the way. This is a dress I got from Oakley like 3 years ago and I've never ever worn it. And I'm just like, I'm tired of saving my clothes, so I just put it on with some shorts today. Oh, go around. I just put it on with some shorts today. But I'm still at this beautiful Airbnb in Kingston. This is definitely one of my favorites with the rooftop pool. But I'm just gonna be ready for mom today. Hello, morning. I'm just waiting for my mom because we're gonna do errands today. I need to get patties, breadfruit, everything I want to bring back for my friends. And my friend goes back to America today, and then I go to Montego Bay tonight so I can get my flight tomorrow. Anybody pour my drink and anybody buy my dinner. So yeah, my color is special.
Yeah.
And as well. I'm gonna start pull out.
Yeah. Yeah. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs.
I don't think I'll ever get tired of this view. It is stunning. The sun is hot. These guys are funny. I'm gonna pack now, so I'm gonna go pack now. So my mom's coming in and talk to you guys later. Us against the whole world. Baby, you were mad and I was your girl. Whatever happened to the times that we spent.
Yeah. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 just in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Shouted, what is your name? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and got drunk, and when I think she thinks I'm cool, she gave me a wink, I wink back, and made her think that we.
Morning guys, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, leave it open. I feel like I've been vlogging, but I haven't been explaining to you guys what's happening. It's almost time for me to go back to England, so I'm trying to sign up to a real estate course because I just want to really pursue my passion. So I'm at the real estate board in Jamaica now to sort out my life. Yeah? Well, the real estate board not here anymore?
24 Chapana.
Literally right next door. Alright.
No. 24 Chapana, New Kingston. So, the British High Commission, British Embassy.
Yeah.
Second building after the British Embassy. You see 24th Street. Chapana. I'm building up the house. Have you paused it? Okay, one turn. You're not turn. You're not ready to turn.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna come at the real estate board and them relocated out, updating it. So now I have to just leave it till next time and come back. See the real estate board. And them not there no more. People who get tickets for no reason. Them say should broke through a stop sign, but somebody did it right in front, I would just follow back through with person. Come here say we must stop, I say I can't we. She gone over there. Should I get her tickets? Let me see if I can record it.
Yes, sir. The person who's going to put it up there. We have to stop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. I did stop at the sign, sir. Somebody was right in front of them. They put it going, but I was coming out in front. As you're from here, and you can say, so that man there on the same come around, nobody know, you might say, I'm going to flash through the stop sign. You slow down from here and come up here, so nobody can come there, so somebody in front of you, oh, you're going to fly through the sign. You're flying at the building right there, so that don't really make no sense. If you go straight across, you're going to fly going there, so we could not. If you just stop the person in front of me, I would understand, but me there behind the person, I'm going to fly through the sign, and I'm immediately behind the person. That don't make no sense, sir.
Still I take it her and I smile, my love.
Yeah, stop.
People, I'm showing you the stop sign with them query. What you know? People, police stop me. Mommy, I get tickets. I'm such a break one stop sign. But she never break it, you know, because the person did the right in front of the person go around and the road is clear. So she just been around the corner too. You understand? And the person in front of you, we think him them a stop in. I said, whoa, no, do not wrong. You make them go through and stop way. So them did their ticket right now. So she make her video so that she can go to court and dispute it. Because she not pay my love. I'm gonna blame her and I don't have to pay it either. Right in the day, boom, ticket just so for no reason. And them not listening, them not have no leniency, nothing. No matter how she has she's a government worker, she would have never do something like that. Them no business, my love. I'm cracking up so I can't see the rest of the history. I'm tired, I'm not. These people are actual heroes. How much are the tickets?
I'm going to pay it. The rest is ridiculous.
Offense information, disobeying traffic lights or traffic sign people. That's the other details. What do you see?
When said about it disobeying?
It said B016 disobeying traffic light or stop sign. $1,000. Are this $10,000?
No, we're not paying. So you say I disobey a traffic light?
Or a stop sign.
Oh, okay.
$10,000. And you get 6 points, lovely. Driver did not stop to obey stop sign any at all, rather ran through same. So why the person in front of will never get stopped? Everybody on the street supposed to get stopped.
Because you can't see from here, so I'm going to stop at the stop sign.
Alright, go on here.
Alright, take care, Mr. Coupland. You can imagine the way person you has to stop sign, somebody that stop at the stop sign. That's what I'm going to do.
Because when him come out in the mess, but I can't wait because we don't know. I swear things to the man in front. I swear things to the man in front. So everybody will stop at the stop sign, look left, look right.
You can't see from here, so if you stop at the stop sign, look how far the stop sign from which part of Nigeria.
And you don't have on the glasses, you don't have 20/20 vision, sir. The ticket them have to do about 10 grand.
I'm going to pay them, I'm going to go my court house.
You have court dates.
Yeah, I win.
The 20th of May.
Yeah, man, we have come on.
10 o'clock in the morning, bright and early. Traffic court. Mr. Constable, that's I. This is not the vibe we need right now.
Yeah, that's it.
They're going to load your thing in the AC.
No, Jada, you know that the police.
That really random. I'm surprised.
Stop at the stop sign.
I'm confused.
What is? I want to know.
And they never seen a picture, no.
You have no house.
No, and the lady, she just come out. No.
And then the way up the song, so you know, so stop.
So about the man in front?
Exactly, you stop here. But if you go through the stop sign.
You're not running nothing back. So clearly, they have to stop to look left and look right before you come out. And you come over a small road and up on the main road. You have to look around to take care of that here.
I'm here on the street now.
You still like a Errands? People Jamaica hectic, the more I drive down here and them look at something that just turn me off because me would have sit down and ball. Something that turn me off, man. What 10 grand off waist. Hey guys, so we're just gonna go to Carby's now, which is like a Jamaica store where they sell branded stuff like t-shirts, hats, and you can also get the stuff that they sell in the craft market. But downtown closes halfway today, and it's $1.49. So I'm like, let me just grab what I can in halfway free, and then what I don't get here, I just get downtown. And then this is. Just supposed to. Hello. Hi, I'm vlogging. You okay?
Yes. Yeah, Mama, there.
Hi.
Take a day. Me too.
I love my skin. I'm trying to look regular. How I got them to them. Not regular. Are we this? For kids, the Nicole baby. Oh. Guys, I got these for the girlies.
These are adult small, right? Yeah. Ladies go.
Up emoji. This is my friend that has a baby. And this for me. And then this for my baby girl. Yeah. Oh, Nicole?
What's your name?
Or my friend?
Yeah.
Oh, ma?
Should I read up something?
Yeah.
You all
We'll wear it.
You all for that?
Good night.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, live by Instagram.
I'm not telling you, man. I'm saying.
Yeah,
Just a
cash?
watch. Yeah, how much is?
No, it look like about 4 grand, 3 grand.
9,835.
Funny stuff. And the onion never buy no.
Yeah.
Suppose me pick up the onion. Thank you so much. At least everybody good now, just my things. Patty, the honey, sea moss, want a small jar so we can put in some smoothie to start with my body. No, I usually man just 1 spoon in my tea. Where see I pass through Alice, I'm gonna get 1 cup of soup. Yes, this is one of my favorite snacks as a child growing up. And people used to always judge me because they say, "Why you eating and nothing that's not even shrimp that," but I know something about it tantalizing. Can't get one I share because I suit and pull back up and really. What we have to do? Guys, we're reaching the crab circle. Alice, if you know, you know. I don't know, can I soup them up today?
Okay. Crab, yes, they are.
Oh, what's your crab here? Huh? It's all sweet and all. Wow.
On April 18 to 19 at the conference, featuring presentations and discussions of all things real estate.
date on April 19 to 20. Dive into everything home. Expo featuring exhibitions.
Guys, I'm out by and this is Abby. Where they? Yeah, this is Abby. She's the first one to come up with her name Bradley too. So they can come get her about. She have the way name there.
The good stuff
She
there.
have the good things there. So may I try the crab?
Ask for me.
Yeah man, this spicy and nice. I like. Let me coconut.
Okay, some days we cook berries. We have, like for Friday, we have curry crab, roll, additional big. Yeah. Today we have coconut to begin with. We have basil.
I went back, and man, I think that we hit it off something but
I'm gonna get some honey. And them I go for $2 each. And a pure honey, I can't see no sugar in it at the bottom, right? So if sugar in it, it would have just concentrate down there. Like the England one, they make it, I can see the grains. Thanks, sir. We can show them your number? Yeah? You guys want to come downtown right at the corner. Right there, so you can get the honey them. And them have molasses. So down at town there. Ready for it.
okay. If you're looking for me, okay. Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real.
Where we do them fry?
That look enough do nice. My mother, cause she like them niceness here.
What's over there? So what's that right here? The next restaurant. So 9,005, right?
Guys, I got this from my brother and I got this from my mom. And the place nice. Mother come back. I'm gonna put the name in the vlog so they can come here.